Hey guys, it's Amanda. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this is like non-edited kind of first go at giving you guys a little sneak peek into what actually goes on in my daily life besides, just the art nanny. When I'm constantly making art, I'm constantly making projects. Just like made this for the bus driver today with Ray. Just kind of rigged it. See loves Reese's Pieces. Isn't that cool? Right. But lots more to come, and I hope you enjoy and like the channel because this is the start of something, very fun. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Art Nanny here with Emma June.
Hi.
And today we have to work on Emma June's end of the year project for her school. Okay, so let's get started. So, Emma June, today we have to make your end of the school project.
Yep.
So this is the project that we put together for Emma June's class. You're third grader going into fourth grade. Nice. And Emma June's birthday is actually in June, so we're doing something kind of for the summer. So this is good for like the class moms or end of the year school gift or something like that. So we usually get asked to help out and come up with a creative idea. So we went to the dollar store and kind of fished around a little bit, and what did we find?
Laundry bags.
Laundry bags. So we found a 3-pack of mesh laundry bags from Essentials. And what they are, they're just the bags that you put into the washing machine to wash like your socks so you don't get lost. Which we never use, right? Do our socks ever match?
Never.
Mine do because they're all black. So they come in a 3-pack, which is great because Emma June's class is 35 kids. And then we also grabbed some shoelaces. So this is 16 shoelaces for $1. So what are we going to make, Emma June?
Shell bags.
We're going to make shell bags so when everyone goes to the beach that they can collect all their seashells. So what you need is your laundry bags. These have a nice zipper. You need shoelaces or some kind of something that you could use like ribbon or twine that you can use so they can carry it. We need some kind of fabric along the top. So we got this canvas, which is pretty strong, right? So this way you can take the water and it's going to make the bag a little stiff because these are so flimsy, right? So it's going to keep it stiff so this way they can open and close it. For our tools, we need our handy dandy hot glue gun with our giant hot glue stick so we don't have to keep refilling, our iron, and a pair of scissors. Okay, are you ready, Emma June? All right, let's do this. We have about an hour to get them all done. All right, let's get to the first thing. Okay, so first thing you want to do is we want to get all our canvas ready, and we wanted to fold over because we want it to fit on the top of our bag. So we're going to measure them all out, and then we're just going to take our iron, and we're just going to give it a nice crease. And this is going to make everything go so much faster and so much easier than trying to fool later with it to be absolutely perfect. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to measure because we want to get it on the top. So we're going to just lay it on top. Take our sharp scissors. And we're just going to mark off what we need. Okay, so the first thing you want to do whenever you're doing a project like this, especially when you're making so many, is you want to set up your workspace so it's really easy for you to just go on to the next, So what I did is I unfolded all of my canvas pieces to go onto the top. I have my shoelaces ready, my hot glue gun, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pieces and right by the zipper, I'm going to fold them over. So this way, when I apply the glue, I'm not going to be messing with the hot glue because I do not like to get burned. So I'm going to add a bead of glue around the edge, only on the back. Then I'm just going to lay right up to that zipper line. Ta-da! Then I'm going to take my shoelace, add some more glue in there. Doesn't have to be pretty. Nobody's going to see it. For your shoelace, you want to put it in that top corner. It's okay if you don't get it there on the first try. don't try to touch it because it's so hot. Fold it right over and press it down. Now this one, I'm just gonna pull it up a little bit right before that glue dries. Oh, this one, a little bit more glue on the edge. Perfect, so now we can open and close it as I need. Now there's one more thing you wanna do with the dollar store bags. They're not the best quality, so we're just gonna put a bead of glue on each side. This way the zipper doesn't get pulled off when they're running around on the beach collecting all of their seashells. All right, Emma June, 34 more to go.